Hi, I'm back here in the Tysinger kitchen for another week of meal prep for you. If you liked last week's and thought it was quick and easy, then you're really going to love this week because we're getting even faster. Now, if you're anything like me and the stores I've been shopping in, shopping's gotten a little more difficult lately with our quarantines and our shelters in place and getting the supplies we need. Of course, it's always good to go to the store with a plan for your meals and a list, which I did, but when I got to my store this week, I couldn't get the things that I wanted. So what that tells us is all we need is a little flexibility though. That doesn't mean our plan goes out of the window, it just means that we alter it a little bit. My plan for this week had been to do some grilled sirloin steak because sirloin steak is one of our leaner cuts of red meat, if you eat red meat, with some mashed sweet potatoes and some roasted green beans. Now, when I got to my store, there was no sirloin steak available whatsoever. So I thought, I'll do chicken instead. I went over to the chicken section and there was no chicken breast available anyway. So again, I backed up, I regrouped, made a new plan. What I could find was frozen shrimp. And so I decided that this week grilled shrimp would be my protein, which is an excellent protein source because it is both low calorie and low fat. Now, along with that, I went to get my green beans because I was still going my green bean plan, and I found that the green beans that they had were just really kind of yucky looking and not something that I would want to cook and eat all week. So I looked around to see what was available, what looked fresh, and I decided to go with roasted baby carrots. Now, having done that, there were plenty of sweet potatoes, so I still could have gone with my plan for mashed sweet potatoes, but to orange things on the plate and the fact that both carrots and sweet potatoes do put off a sweet flavor, I just didn't think they complemented each other very well, so I decided instead to get some baby white potatoes and roast those up. Now, white potatoes are not something that I commonly go with as a starter, as a carb, but on occasion it's fine, and these will work out well for this week. So just like last week, I'm going to start cooking with the thing that takes me the longest, and that's going to be my carrots. My carrots are going to take 40 minutes at 400 degrees in the oven, and at the 20-minute mark, about halfway, I just want to give those a little stir so they don't burn on the bottom side. So if you take a look at my start time here, it is 3:48. So I'm going to open this up and pop these in. They've just been tossed with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. And we'll check back on those. Like I said, at the 20-minute mark, we'll give those a stir, and at the same time, we will put our potatoes into the other oven because they will take 20 minutes at 400 degrees to roast. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. All right, so we're at the 20-minute mark, 20 minutes to go on our carrots. So I'm gonna pop the potatoes into the oven. Those will take 20 minutes, and it's time for me to give my carrots a quick stir. You'll see that in the time since we left, I set up my meal prep area so that I will be ready to go when my food is ready to go. The other thing I did was I quick thawed my shrimp by running it under cold water for just a few minutes. So I've got my shrimp in the bowl here, a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now I want to introduce you to one of my other favorite kitchen tools, not just for meal prep, but for healthy cooking in general, and that is my stovetop grill. This is just a cast iron grill pan, very inexpensive at Walmart. You can get the ones that cover one burner. I often do big meal prep, so I have the one that covers 2 burners. I've heated it here. You can see it's nice and smoky to medium heat. And I'm going to take my shrimp and I'm just going to toss them out on the grill. And talk about quick cooking. Shrimp are the essence of quick cooking here on the grill. They'll literally take no more than 3 minutes per side, probably even closer to 2 minutes per side. So I'm just going to cook these things up, let them sit there for a couple minutes, flip them over, cook them on the other side, pull them off, and put another stack in. I'll see you on the other side. All right, so my potatoes and carrots came out of the oven, and while I was doing my last few batches of grilled shrimp, I went ahead and put those in the containers so they're ready to go. Now all I need to do is put my shrimp in and do my cleanup. So quickly, let's talk about portion size. So for this week, these are tiny little guys. So Jeff will be getting 20 grilled shrimp. He has 2 cups of carrots and 1 cup of roasted potatoes. For my portion size, I'll be getting 10 grilled shrimp, 1 cup of carrots, and half a cup of potatoes. We'll check back for a final time check once I have all these packed up and my cleanup done. All right, and we're all done. They're all packed up and ready for the week in exactly 1 hour and 6 minutes. 5 minutes. 1 hour, 5 minutes, start to finish. Have a great day. So, if you need more meal prepping help or nutrition guidance in general, we'd love to help you out. Remember, CrossFit Bro is still offering nutrition coaching services. We'd love to see you there.